We sell LiftMaster brand garage door openers exclusively just because of their quality and their reliability. Most openers now are equipped with Wi-Fi capability, battery backup systems, and home integration systems. Common signs you may need a replacement is having to hit your garage door button more than once, a door that's creaking, squeaking, popping, making lots of noise, or just generally not reliable. Once we arrive at your home, what we'll do is we will take a quick assessment of your door. We will run it while you're present there and then let you know exactly what's going on with it and what we will do to repair the door also.